You'd be a hero. You'd be a hero.
Yes.
You're counting on us.
Yes,
Well, the first thing you're going to have to do is retract your initial statement. Because it's very
Don't
possible.
retract it. Just disregard it. Make believe you never said it.
Okay.
And if she makes reference to it, then say, no, that's not what I said.
Okay, great.
Well,
Okay.
just say, as a matter of routine, you always check the fuses first, even though it's unlikely that it's a fuse. Let's check them first.
Dashboard items don't have the...
Possible, for example, that the cigarette lighter could be on the same fuse. What kind of a vehicle is this?
This is a 1986 Chevy station wagon.
Full-size Chevy?
Pardon me?
No, it's like a celebrity wagon or something like that.
Yeah. It's probably maybe in a Pala or something, or
No, we don't
Pala station wagon. Well, yeah.
We don't care what it is. It's
Well, it's important because, I mean, why is this attractive young lady driving a celebrity station wagon? Are you sure she's not married and with a couple of kids and she's sort of neglected to tell you about this?
No, she has a boyfriend. However, her boyfriend's in jail.
She's in jail.
Yes, because, and I'll tell you why he's in jail.
Taking pictures of her, probably.
He's in jail because he beat up the last guy who fixed her car.